Yo, check in. Watch out. Yo, me arms them put in, dog. Yo, me arms them. Arms rock. Bill. Arms in a arms rock. None of them no connect. And me need to take off this. A Patex, you know? Upside down, me have it, you know? This. A Patex dash up on it. Patex dash up on it. Me will show you how I go on. Watch out. Patex dash up on this. I use something and wipe it off still. Otherwise than that, I'm saying in. All amps installed right now. Looking good. Allow me to tell. Amps not installed. But the amps are built. Amps are ready. Amps are just little bit too exact. I'll show you what I mean. You wanna say neat, nice, clean. Me change up my amp strap design. You not go see what I do, but now I tell you not exactly what I do yet. Alright, up here so. Too near. Now no space to plug on the jack them. And see the space there up there so done. This can work right, this way there still, you know. Yeah, but up here so can't work. So I have to go make a little bit more space. Find a way to make a little bit more space. That at least you don't worry on yourself. A minimum space. Right? So that we depend right now. Good. Out of way now. I'm so out of way now. See the access panel there in Amigo for the gas pump. The access panel in Amigo for the gas pump. Watch out. So I can pull them 4 screw hole in that. Pull this up, pull this up. Let me see how I go on and say if it's firm. This part I go off and move, you know, because I'm going to screw up this. But yeah, alright. This alright, this alright. I just extend it a little bit. You see space behind us, so? I just extend it a little bit. And the extension kinda good for me, you know, because I can run my current wire them through them part for the amps them. I have a mark which part more space to run wire to. I make like a space over this other side, them gap there so broad, you know, but all of them the part they not gonna show. I just want to make sure say the amps have enough space for what I want to do. That is the most important part of it. Otherwise than that, it's good. And it I go pull it back. See you here? Still I go pull it back one more time. But until then, this way I work with. One set him. Still have to go paint. I put ices on the painting. Still no reach to Joker shop for spare steering yet. I want to fix up the pipe there. You have too much sink in right there, man. Pipe then look so hot. I want to clean up. You know, spend some time and clean up it. But we are going. We not really work fast. We are work smart more than fast. And today holiday, so I just go and find some things to do while holiday. Alright. Reason why I never just make it unsuck long from the beginning. But this is trouble. Because I'm not so short like one thing, you know, I'm tall. And I don't want to itch up on my steering. Really? I see it buck on the hamstrock, you know. Turn the camera around where I can see. See it? You see it buck on the hamstrock. Right this one. And I can't lean back no more. Distance ain't no bad still. This is alright, I can live with this. Certain far journey might a little bit uncomfortable, but no when I'm in Jamaica I can drive going in this position for a while. Yeah, alright. We are gonna work with that. Let me come on. Oh, key take out. Yeah, the key take out. Alright. What go on? I not cut out nothing in this again, you know. In a yes, you know. I not cut out nothing in a yes again. Only fan hole them have to cut out. You don't know that the part there go already. Fan have to cut out. Up here so now, I gotta do one little operation underneath the little place up here so. I don't know how far I can go with it yet, but I gotta do one little operation in a right so. Come across here. Yeah, so make one little something. Yeah, make something cross here, so underneath. I don't know why I design it. How me I go design it, I don't know. But me I make something there. When I go see what I go on, up in another place there. Yeah, so me I make something. Have to make something there, so. Good. But you know I go see everything. So stay tuned. If you don't subscribe, yet, subscribe right now. Check in. Watch where I go on. Watch me steering. Jesus Christ. Steering pretty like man. Right now, I want to put in a car to see. To see how really look. In just a tape up. So I take off the tape and I'm going to see what I go on. And the rail I did sync up. You do it one kind of way, you know. Because I mean, too like the too much ugly nothing in my car, you know. So I'm going to see what I go on. Normal. Tear off the tape. And then I tell you now if it's good. Steering reveal, you know. Steering reveal. What? Steering loud like a loud. Watch out. Oh man, me have to stand off and vision it. With the pink them on the rims and everything, yeah. It look good. It look good, and like how you have all the pink pole them, pink steering. Yeah. I get little blending and go on in the system, you know. But I like the steering. Steering feel. Yeah. And them flasher make your steering have a little rough feeling, so you won't slip out of me hand. Yeah. This is good. This is very nice. That's the only thing else where I'm going to put in a pink eye steering. Just the steering and them two bars in the car. Otherwise than that, everything else are going in black. I don't know what I do around the Amtrak yet. I don't do no more work from there, you know. I left and go spray steering. But round this so. Oh, I did cut the board there. To make sure it's a top level with you, so. Yeah. I go around this so I can have a better vision. Alright. See slantness. I want the top can rest right on here, so the cover supposed to come rest. So I just use the board as a little measurement. And that not really that the board I go use, but I sacrifice a piece of board if I do that. And I make it so you could test on the two sides. So I test it on the side. I flick you over. And test it on the side. Make sure so I have flow go on. So right now, still I go one sheet of ply. So I have to go buy one sheet of ply if you do crossway. So. Yeah. Now buy one sheet of ply if you do that. It tap. Nah man. And hopefully if I come off the road early tomorrow, I can get for start make it base box. I have one base box to make it, so I need to start make that. But we are going. In the car look nice. In the car look really nice. Attractive. Draw attention, you know. Give them something to look on. Yeah, when I stop at a venue and I pull all the door them and them thing there. People supposed to walk around the car and I say, yo, you know the car here, look one way. Yeah. That I want. Nah man. So set we are setting. Good?